Hello guys, welcome to my second video. Today we are learning how to create website in 5 minutes using free themes. So let's learn it. First of all, you need to go to our dashboard. Then you need to import the themes. Uh, Go to appearance, themes, and you can add new themes. You can choose any themes you like. My personal favorite is Astra. You need to install it, and it's installing. It will take few time. Then activate it. After activating, you need to click to this Astra symbol here, and you need to install this starter template. It's installing and it's activated. Then choose the page builder. You can choose any one of these three. I'll choose Elementor, and this interface will appear. After that, you can import inbuilt these templates. If you want businesses, then you can click businesses, and you can import these, but these are paid and premium. You need to pay for it, but you can use free themes like this. Like I guess my internet is a little slow. You can select any of these free free themes. If you want to just view it, then you can click here and view it. This is inbuilt template. If you don't like it, then you can go back. If you want to build a e-commerce site, then you can just click here, e-commerce site, and you can import any of this template. Let's select one. I think let's choose this. You can put your logos, and you can put your logos here. Okay, like this. Okay, for example, just for example, select, then click here. You can continue. You can change the colors. You can change the fonts, font family. You can change the color, default color. Continue, and then you don't need to agree this. You can just submit and build my website. It will take few minutes. After the template has been installed and download and installed, you can check your website. Okay, now it's ready. You can type in whatever you like. For example, you can just edit with Elementor. You can edit clicking the edit with Elementor. You can proceed. Then you can add anything. You can center the button, left, right, justified, anything. Yeah, you can. Your website is ready. You need to update. You can edit anything. For instance, if you want to change this background image, then you need to select this section and go to styles. You can change the image. Okay, like this. Yeah, this is how you can create your portfolio. You can create any website like this by importing the themes. I guess this is it for today. Just practice it, you'll learn it. Thank you.